number 3 is M. Learning Buddhism is good. Learning Buddha Dharma is good. But don't forget learning about management. Management is very important. Everything is under management. If we do not know about management, we cannot propagate our Buddha Dharma. Don't make yourself be blind and fatal. You believe with the wisdom. So you need to learn about management. In management theory, there are many theories from the Western scholar are picked. They are quote the point. For example, like some subject in management, they say ethical business or organizational behavior. They taught that in the university how to behave. This is about management. And M again, it refers to motivation. Learn how to motivate. Motivate yourself and motivate your friend in order to bring the great Buddha Dharma today to the world. ITBMU did a very good job. Now doing a very good job concerning with motivation. ITBMU spent a lot of money to teach, to train you. And now they celebrate this alumni activity. And ITBMU motivate all of you to go around the world and preach to the Buddha Dharma. The other people who may not know about Buddhism,